Oh, I'm recording.
Dude, what the hell is
It's
that?
brown, man. I never seen
just
it brown.
motionless.
I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is.
What is that? New.
Bruh.
Bro, what is that?
Honestly, I had no idea.
Guys, what's up?
Why
I'm
is
in
it that
peace.
color and that bright?
And that low.
I'm about to look up.
Bruh. It is moving, right?
No, I think it's motionless.
That's moving.
No, it's moving, man.
No, that thing is not moving.
Jeremy,
No, it's moving.
Absolutely moving.
Alright, let's find a point of reference to figure out if it's moving or not.
Bruh.
It's getting further away from that star closest to
What
it.
the is that?
I don't know what that is though.
Nah, dude, that's not a ship.
I just read a few
Wait,
books,
is it
man.
burning out?
Did you see that? What?
It is like it's burning out.
Come on, man.
What the? It's like it's about to disappear, y'all.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, it's about to vanish.
Are you serious?
Dude.
What is this happening?
Gone.
You see that?
Gone.
That thing vanished.
Y'all see that?
Amazing.
Dude.
What? Yo. What?
It's gone.
Impressive. Oh, damn, that vanished for real.
Guys, you have just seen your first UFO.
Watch that.
Uh-huh.
Rogers is at 0.
He thought
Rogers
I
had
was
0.
tripping,
I saw
and
it.
I said, "Look, is that a plane?"
I saw
it disappear.
It was
I saw it. It was
orange.
brown.
It was
Yeah, you saw
orange.
orange.
Yeah, it wasn't a normal color.
It was
Yeah,
moving.
Yeah.
It was moving
just a normal
slowly,
plane.
but look,
No, it was orange.
it disappeared.
It's
It's
okay.
Yeah, it disappeared.
gone.
You saw it?
We both were like, what the hell did this go?
Like, is it
Y'all
burning
talking
out?
about
I was like,
it.
it's burning
I told
out.
you he
Oh, y'all are
tripped.
It was like flickering. No, it started flickering.
It's flickering because it was moving.
No, I said
No, it started
he
flickering like a fire.
Yeah, that's what it looked like.
That was wild, man.
No, that's